Know that there is someone who is so merciful and so loving. Hello, friends. This is just a share, a reminder to each and every one of us. We must know that there is someone who is so merciful to us, who is so loving to us, that is going to override your unbelief and do things you never dream. Things that will bring you more joy, more fulfillment than you can ever imagine. And who is that? That is God alone. The kind God we serve will bring you more merciful and will love you so loving.